Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Ruchi. Today's recipe is coconut sriracha and soya sesame dipping sauce. These both sauces are very yummy. You can serve them with spring rolls, sushi rolls or any fried items. Ingredient list you can see on the screen. These chilies I have soaked for about half an hour in warm water. I'll place these chilies in blender jar. This water you can throw it off. Now I'll add 1/4 cup coconut milk and make a smooth paste. This chili paste is ready. As you can see, this is very smooth. Here I have taken a pan. In that I have added 1 tablespoon coconut oil. I'll transfer this chili paste in coconut oil pan. On medium-low flame we will start cooking this. As it starts cooking, we will add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Keep stirring it. Slowly you will see this paste will start becoming thick. Friends, any questions, suggestion or feedback, please comment in the comment box. Now we will add 1 cup of coconut milk in that. Keep cooking this on low flame. After a couple of minutes you will see this chutney sauce will become thick. Now this is ready. Friends, if you're a fan of spicy sauce, then this sauce is perfect for you. You can use with any snack. Also, you can store this sauce for 15 days in fridge. Now let's prepare soya and sesame dipping sauce. For that I have shared the ingredient list. In a bowl we will add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, half a tablespoon white vinegar, half a teaspoon sesame oil. You can roast the sesame and that also you can add, it will enhance the flavor. Half a teaspoon salt. Soya sauces are salty, so make sure that you use less salt. Here I am taking 2 garlic cloves. I have small grater, so in that I am gonna add my garlic cloves and grate the garlic. Now this easy peasy soya sesame dipping sauce is ready. While serving, you can add some cut spring onions to it. That will give amazing flavor to this sauce. Friends, both our sauces are ready. These both sauces are so delicious. Try this recipe out and share your feedback with me. I will be really happy to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. That way you will get all the notification of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.